If you want to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you're switching accounts, fixing a connection issue, or just cleaning up your linked services, unlinking Xbox from Epic Games is simple once you know where to look. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside the launcher, look toward the top area and click on your profile icon. This is usually where your account settings and connected services are managed. After clicking the profile icon, choose the Accounts option from the menu. Now you should be taken to your account management page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Linked Accounts and click on it. This section shows all the external platforms and services that are currently connected to your Epic Games account. Next, scroll through the list of linked accounts until you find Xbox. Once you see it, click on it to open the connection options. From there, select Unlink. Epic Games may ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you read any warning message carefully before continuing. After confirming, your Xbox account will be disconnected from Epic Games. That means the two accounts will no longer be linked, and you'll be able to connect a different Xbox account later if needed. Just keep in mind that unlinking can affect access to certain game progress or account-related features in some cases, so it's always a good idea to double-check before you finish. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Xbox account from Epic Games. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future gaming how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.